Kiki, owner of EgiptEgyptianne collection, and we're back with another video. Today's video is a wash my roll-on tubes with me, my roll-on perfume tubes with me, y'all. So here's how you clean stuff. Excuse me, y'all. Here's how you clean stuff when you order. So you get you any type of bowl, some Dawn soap, hot water. Some people say don't put alcohol, rubbing alcohol, but I do it to sterilize the tubes, because not only, I said tubes, well, yeah, tubes. Not only are we cleaning them, but we're getting anything that's bacteria off of them. So I'm letting it sitting here in this bath, getting it clean. I'm gonna brush stuff around. Then after we're done, I'm gonna wash it out, and they'll be going in this bowl. And this bowl is just after they got done cleaning. And so after they get done cleaning, I'm gonna put them in this bowl. Then I'm gonna put them on the towel. I'm gonna let it air dry for this week, because I'm waiting on my I'm waiting on my other scent for, like I did for the body butter and the scrub. I'm waiting on my other scent for the roll-on tubes, and I figure I'm doing 5 roll-on tubes. Then I'm trying to figure to do another 5 more roll-on tubes for my other scent that I'm ordering. And then I'll be done with roll-on tubes until next year. Next year, that's when I will start sitting down, figuring out what I need to order for my collection. And I will be doing more than 5. I'll probably do it 10 again, but I'm only doing 5 because my summer collection taught me so much not to do so much when I know how I market, and if it didn't sell online, then I'm just not gonna push out more. So I'm only doing less inventory for online just to test this out. So I'm gonna give it another, because I just set it in this bath. I guess I can wash them out now, because I don't want this video to go on too much. And also, if y'all notice when y'all order stuff off of Amazon or anywhere and it has a smell to it, that's also why you need to wash them out. As y'all wash them out, y'all, and y'all smell them, and y'all smell that it have the soap smell still in it, and the rubbing alcohol smell into it, just keep cleaning them out with the hot water, and you'll get it out. So that's what I'm smelling for, and yeah. I'm cleaning out the bowl. I'm washing it out. Okay. So now they're in this container. So these are clean, ready for me to sell them out, because now they're all clean. And yeah, y'all. So if y'all want to see more videos on any business stuff, please comment or subscribe to my channel for more videos. And bye.